In this proClip for Helios AIR1, we will show you how to remove the heat exchanger from the ceiling unit. Please note the safety instructions in the relevant installation and operating instructions manual. Start by unlocking and opening the left and right service doors. Ensure that the doors are properly secured to prevent uncontrolled swinging open. Then detach the condensate drain or condensate pump before removing the central service door. Please note that water may flow out of the drain. The next step is to loosen and remove the screws on the central service door. Remove the service door by pushing it towards the terminal box. Depending on the size of the unit, we recommend removing the service door with 2 or more people. Work can now begin on removing the heat exchanger. Before loosening and removing the screws on the cover plate, check that the star grip screws on the heat exchanger locking plate are properly tightened. Then loosen the star grip screws on the locking plate. Hold the heat exchanger firmly with your free hand and carefully remove it from the unit. Depending on the size of the unit, we recommend performing these steps with 2 people. Check the condition of the heat exchanger and clean it if necessary. Further information on cleaning can be found in the installation and operating instructions manual. When cleaning, allow the heat exchanger to dry completely before installation. More information on Helios AIR1 can be found on our YouTube channel and heliosAIR1.com.